What is Pakistan's national day? 14 August 1947. Ta is Pakistan national animal? The marker. The marker is the national animal of Pakistan, where it is also known, in English, as the screwhorn or screwhorned goat. What is Pakistan national fruit? Mangoes are not only Pakistan's national fruit, they are also part of culture, a networking tool, an instrument of social bonding and a diplomatic emissary worthy of being gifted to dignitaries all over the world. Who named Lahore? Lava. Ancient era. An old street scene in Lahore. According to oral traditions, Lahore was named after Lava, son of the Hindu god Rama and the Hindu goddess Sita, who supposedly founded the city. Lahore Fort has a vacant temple dedicated in honor of Lava. What is the national sweet of Pakistan? Karachi, Gulab Jamun has been declared national sweet of Pakistan in a poll survey on the official Twitter handle of the government of Pakistan. Who made Pakistan map? Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Map created by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Found via Wikimedia. The map above was created by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, who was a Pakistani nationalist and is often credited with coming up with the name Pakistan. What is Pakistan's national symbol? The state emblem. 1. The crescent and star, symbolizing progress and enlightenment. 2. The shield in the center, showing 4 major crops. 3. Wreath surrounding the shield representing cultural heritage. 4. Scroll at the bottom is the national motto: unity, faith, discipline.